Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful zigzag leaf stitch. This is a very lacy pattern worked with chain and triple crochets. It can be used for scarves, shawls and many other projects. For this I'm using crochet yarn and crochet hook 3.5 millimeters. So let's get started. For this pattern, we need to make a chain in multiples of 6. So for this length, I have chained 48. So this is my 48 chain that I have here. That is multiple of 6. You can make a chain of multiple of 6 and work your desired length. So after you've got your chain, you need to hold on to your last stitch here that you have, because we're going to work in that stitch. So you hold on to that stitch and then you chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now into that same stitch that we held on to, we work our first triple crochet. So for that you yarn over twice and then you insert the hook into that stitch. You pull out your yarn and then you yarn over 2 loops and then yarn over 2 loops again. You need to leave the last loop on your hook because we will be working all the stitches together for the end of the petal. So now we have two strands here. That is our first chain and our triple crochet. So now we'll work 2 more. So again you yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same stitch, pull out your yarn, yarn over, pull to 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again, and hold on to your 3 stitches here. Yarn over twice again, insert your hook, pull out your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now you have all 4 stitches on your hook. This is your first chain and these are your triple crochets that you made. You yarn over, pull through all 3. So this is the first leaf that we have. After this you chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now on your chain you need to count 5 stitches, your 5 chains right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now into the 6th one we need to make another leaf. So in between 2 leaves you have 5 chains. So into your 6th one you go ahead and work 1 single crochet first, like this, and then you chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you need to work 3 triple crochets into this chain like we worked here. So we start with the first one. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Okay, now you have 4 loops on your hook. You yarn over, pull through all. Here you have your second leaf. Alright, after this you chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again you need to count 5 stitches here on your chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the 6th one we need to work 1 single crochet after you worked your single crochet, you chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you work 3 triple crochets in the same stitch. So that is 1, 2, and 3, and then you yarn over, pull through all, and then you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the 6th stitch you work a single crochet, and then you continue working your leaf, and you need to work this pattern throughout your row. So in between each leaf you have 5 chains, and in the 6th one you work your leaf, with the first one being your chain 4 and the rest your triple crochets. Okay, I've worked my second last leaf of the row. We have still got some chains here towards the end. So what we need to do is, after we finish making the leaf and our chain 6, we need to go ahead and work a leaf in the last chain that we have. So after your chain 6, you work a single crochet in the last chain of your row, and then you chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you work a leaf into that same chain. So your triple crochets, this is the first one, 1, 2, and 3, yarn over, pull through all your stitches. So now we've completed our row. This is what it looks like. So we have a leaf at the start and the end of your row. So now what you do is, you chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn your work, and into the first chain that you made, you need to work your petal. So this will count as the first stitch of your petal, the chain 4 that we've been working in all the leaves. This will count as that, and then you yarn over and work your triple crochets into this stitch that is directly on top of your leaf. So this is your chain 4, and now we are going to work your triple crochet into this stitch. That is your first one. Okay, now you work your second one into the same stitch. So we are working a leaf on top of your leaf here. Now the third one, yarn over and finish your stitch. So this is the corner of your pattern, like this. Now we chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this row, in between the leaves, you need to chain 5. So after your leaf, after your chain 5, we need to directly go on top of your next leaf here. You will have a stitch that we made to finish your leaf. We need to go into that and work a single crochet, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you work your leaf in the same stitch. So you work 3 triple crochets here. That's 1 and 2 and 3, again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need to go to the next leaf directly. On top of your next leaf you have a stitch that you completed your leaf with. You need to go into that stitch and work your single crochet. So after your single crochet, again you chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you work 3 triple crochets in the same stitch. So that's 1 and 2 and 3 and now you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go directly on top of the next leaf and you work 1 single crochet and you make a leaf on top of that. So this is the pattern for this row till you reach right up till here. I have nearly finished my row. This is what it looks like, and I am on the second last leaf here. I have done my chain 5, and now we need to go ahead and work a single crochet right on top of your last leaf, because we are working a leaf above each leaf. So above that you work a single crochet and you work your leaf 1, 2, 3, 4 and your 3 triple crochets, 2 and 3. You finish your stitch and you chain 4. So this is your 1 chain that we just made to finish the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn your work, and in the stitch that we finished the leaf, your last leaf, into that you work 3 treble crochets. So this will always be in the corners. You directly work your leaf on top of the leaf. So when you finished one leaf, you need to go ahead and directly work chain 4, turn your work, and in the same stitch that you finished your leaf, you work 3 treble crochets and finish your leaf there. Here you go. So if you can see, these is the corner leaves that we have, one on top of the other. And after that you follow the same pattern of the earlier row, that is chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you work your leaf on top of the next leaf by making a single crochet first, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you work 3 triple crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. You finish your stitch and then you chain 5, and this is the pattern you follow for the rest of the row and all the rows that we have. Only in the corners you need to finish your leaf, chain 4, and in the same stitch that you finished your leaf, you need to work 3 triple crochets and make one more leaf by turning your work. So that is how you get your leaves one on top of the other. And then the rest of the pattern is chain 5 and a leaf, Then you chain 5 and a leaf and you go on till your desired length. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video if you've learned something from it. Thank you.